Good morning, student. This is me, Rahul Sharma, going to start chapter number 5. This chapter is having so many topics, so that is why we are covering it one or two topics in one video. So, let us start it. The first topic is formatting. So, in that topic, we will be learning about what is formatting and from where we can do formatting and what are the things we perform to do a formatting in the document. So this is our first topic, formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. So whenever you are changing anything in your document, then it means you are doing formatting. Okay, now how we can format a document? So there are 8 to 9 points. By doing those things you can change your document or you can format your document. The first thing is changing the font size and changing the font. So when you are changing the font and making it stylish, it will be known as formatting. Highlighting the certain words. So when you are when you some important words are there in your document, you can highlight them. It will also comes under formatting. Then adjusting line spacing. A proper line spacing will be required for making your document attractive or showing impression to others. Then the setting margins. A proper margins of your documents from left and right, from top and bottom, will make your document attractive. Aligning the text on the page means when you are typing something in a document, that should be well aligned to the left, right, top and bottom. Then next one is creating or building number list. So bullet list, like this we are having the bullet list point, we are having the different points, so that will be known as bullet list. Suppose you are writing anything, so that you are writing according to the point. Now alphabet, oh sorry, number list will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the next one is changing the text case. So case means text size. Okay, and text case will also refer to in which case you are writing. Like sentence case, you will be writing like this: one word, the first letter will be capital, other will be small. And if suppose we are writing in capital, then you will be writing sent like this in capital. So this is known as the changing the text case. Okay, case means small or capital, or the different toggle case is also there. So like this you can change to make your document attractive. Okay, next one is applying border. Sorry, this is border. Okay, this is border. So applying border, so you can also apply border. And when you can apply very good borders, or impression, showing impression on your document, it will make your document very attractive when you are applying the very nice or good borders from your library. Next is changing the text style and color. So you can also change the text style and color of your document, of your text. That is why you can easily do work, or you can easily make it attractive. The next one is formatting effect can be applied using the home tab. So when you are going to format any document, you have to go to the home tab. Remember this. Then home tab contains font formatting. So what type of things are present on the home tab? Formatting, that will be in the font group. Paragraph option, that will be in the paragraph group. Text style commands, that is in a style group, and etc. So there are so many formatting options present on the home tab. So whenever you are going to do a formatting in your document, you should have go to the home tab. So here in this presentation, in this video, I have covered only the first topic of the chapter 5. So students, please like and subscribe the channel so that from now onwards you can easily get all the videos regarding your chapters. And please, if you have any problem regarding the chapter, you just comment in the comment box. Thank you.